Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and tonight it's about 9 o'clock I think, and Friday the 2nd of May, and we're at Coral Bay Strip. I'm just going to have a quick wander down. So I'm here to take some pictures for my Callus Bearer shots, and I thought I'd take a brief film as well. There's Les Amis. I do like their coloured walls they've got there. And Rio Grande Tex-Mex grill. Cross over briefly. I'll let all these lot go past first, I think. There's a Trattoria Tavern in there. Very nice and pretty. I haven't been down to Coral Bay Strip at night for a while. It's a nice fountain, and if that will film very well. Santa Marina fish and chips. Oh, are they coming back again? Oh. Zentas, Salafy, King's Supermarket scrubbed up well, didn't it? I do wish they'd bugger off. Sorry. We can all remember our first pint. That looked good on film, I suppose. That's the Santa Marina. There's Chalky's Bar. And there was one next to it, but that doesn't seem to be open at the moment. There's Kickoff Snack Bar next to it, and I'll cross over so we can see Coralia. Oh, Koalo, sorry, Koalo. Cypriot Mexican cuisine. Lamar Shopping Centre. I remember when they were doing renovations, and one of the workers was very keen to show me the window, and I went in there with my camera, lenses blazing, and sure enough, it was a rather rude phallus-shaped object which you could buy for a keyring, I think, of all things. Not sure who'd want it as a keyring, but it amused him. Now, up here we got Seriani restaurant. I can definitely recommend the Stefano from there. Delicious. This is one of the many car parks around here. Behind all these shops there are quite a lot of car parks as well. We actually parked up by the bank of Cyprus. Now, Fellows, I don't think they open at night, from what I remember. Indeed, it does say breakfast brunch cafe, so they are open but just not open at the moment. So there's Seriani. There's Cleo's and Cleo's Disco Bar. Now there's a little crazy golf place, Palm Grove, just down there. It used to be a bit of a laughing stock, but apparently it's all been done up now and their golf course has been vastly improved. So I'll have to check that out at some point in the future. But I remember before, I'm talking over 10 years ago, last time we went there, and like one of the holes you couldn't finish because it was just one big ant's nest. There's the Canto, looking delightfully posh now. So yeah, this is definitely a popular place. It's not season at the moment, but they've certainly got a few people there. There's Dionysos, Cafe Lounge Bar, El Fuego. I thought that used to be a Chinese restaurant up there, or am I just... there's a sign up on further on that way, so that's just changed hands. I haven't been up there for years, so... I mean, the last time I was holidaying in Coral Bay, there used to be an internet cafe down here. It was very useful at the time. Oh, those are the days, weren't they? And Dolce Vita across the road here, that used to be King Restaurant. I was very much fan of the steaks they used to do there. A very friendly chap was the waiter there, who used to greet us as well. There's Blazing Saddles. And that music, if it's karaoke, we should be okay. Yeah, because I don't think that'll set up any copyright. No offence. But the backing music might, so if there's no sound or just generic music at the moment, then my conversation won't much matter because you won't hear it anyway. But that's Blazing Saddles pub.
Thank you so very much, everybody. Are we ready for a new one? We're going to move to 8,
and after that, we're going to have to call it a night because we'll have reached the end of Coral Bay Strip and the lighting will prevent us from filming any further because there's nothing to see at tonight anyway. We will have a look here though. What's this place? Sushi Gold. So that was Coral Bay Strip. Chinese, Indian, Thai. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next film. Cheers!